Trees seem like simple things. They stand tall, leaves rustling in the wind, providing shade and shelter, but there's so much more to them than meets the eye. They stand tall, leaves rustling in the wind, whispering secrets to those who listen closely. Each rustle tells a story, each sway a dance with the breeze. But there's a whole world happening beneath the bark, a secret life we rarely see. The bark is like a protective armor, hiding the intricate network of life within. Trees are more than just plants. They are ancient beings, witnesses to the passage of time, standing as silent sentinels in the forest. They are living, breathing beings, connected to each other in ways we are just beginning to understand. Their roots intertwine, forming a vast underground network. Their roots stretch deep into the earth, seeking water and nutrients while also communicating with neighboring trees. Their branches reach high to the sky, capturing sunlight to fuel their growth, creating a canopy that shelters countless creatures, and within them lies a hidden world of wonder. The rings of a tree tell its age, each one a chapter in its long life story. For years, scientists and foresters dismissed the idea that trees were anything more than passive elements in the landscape. They saw them as resources to be used, but new research is changing everything. It's revealing the complex social lives of trees, showing us that they are far more sophisticated than we ever imagined. It's showing us that trees are complex social creatures. They communicate through chemical signals and root connections. They care for each other, sharing resources and supporting weaker members of their community. They even fight for their survival, standing strong against storms and environmental challenges. This isn't some fairy tale. It's the real scientific story of trees, a story of resilience, cooperation, and the intricate balance of nature. And it's a story that deserves to be told, a story that reminds us of the silent giants that share our world and the secret lives they lead. Beneath the forest floor, a hidden network thrives. Tree roots, unseen and often forgotten, are the foundation of this incredible system. They don't just anchor the trees, they connect them. Like a vast underground internet, this network allows trees to communicate with each other. Through this wood-wide web, trees send chemical signals. They warn each other of danger like a hungry insect approaching. They share resources, sending nutrients to weaker trees that need them. And they even recognize their own kin, giving preferential treatment to offspring growing nearby. This intricate communication system is essential for the survival of the forest. It allows trees to work together, supporting each other through challenges and ensuring the health of the entire ecosystem. Trees don't just talk to each other, they form partnerships with other creatures too. These symbiotic relationships benefit both parties involved. Take, for example, the relationship between trees and fungi. Fungi grow on and around tree roots. The fungi help the trees absorb water and nutrients from the soil. In return, the trees provide the fungi with sugars they produce through photosynthesis. It's a win-win situation. Trees also have symbiotic relationships with animals. Birds build nests in their branches, finding shelter and safety. Insects pollinate the trees' flowers, helping them reproduce. And larger animals, like deer and squirrels, eat the tree's fruits and nuts, dispersing their seeds far and wide. Trees are essential for life on Earth. They play a vital role in regulating our planet's climate and atmosphere. One of their most important functions is absorbing carbon dioxide from the air. Through photosynthesis, trees take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. This process helps to reduce the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, mitigating the effects of climate change. Trees also help to clean the air we breathe. They filter out pollutants and dust, improving air quality and promoting respiratory health. Beyond these essential functions, trees also help to regulate water cycles, prevent soil erosion, and provide habitats for countless plant and animal species. They are truly the guardians of our planet. Forests are more than just collections of trees. They are complex communities with families and relationships much like our own. Trees can live for hundreds, even thousands of years, and over their long lifespans they develop strong bonds with their offspring. Parent trees nurture their young, sending them nutrients through the root network and providing shade from the harsh sun. They recognize their kin and give them preferential treatment, ensuring their survival. These family bonds help to create a resilient forest, capable of withstanding challenges and thriving for generations to come. The next time you walk through a forest, take a moment to appreciate the interconnectedness of the trees. See if you can spot the parent trees surrounded by their offspring. It's a reminder that nature is full of wonder and complexity. Section 6. Ancient Wisdom, Slow Growth. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to forget the importance of patience and slow, steady growth, but trees are a reminder that some of the most incredible things in life take time to develop. Trees grow slowly, patiently, year after year. They weather storms, endure droughts, and yet they continue to reach for the sky. Each ring on a tree trunk tells a story. It's a record of a year in the tree's life, a testament to its resilience and strength. The oldest trees on Earth have witnessed centuries of history. They have seen empires rise and fall, technologies advance, and yet they remain steadfast and enduring. Their ancient wisdom reminds us to slow down, to appreciate the present moment, and to trust in the power of slow, steady growth. Section 7. Nature's Timekeepers. Trees are nature's timekeepers, their lives marked by the changing seasons. They stand tall and silent, yet they are constantly changing, adapting to the rhythms of the earth. Each season brings a new chapter in their lives, a new phase of growth, transformation, and rest. In spring, they awaken from their winter slumber, bursting forth with new leaves and vibrant blossoms. The air is filled with the scent of fresh growth, and the forest comes alive with the sounds of birds and insects. It's a time of renewal and rebirth as the trees shake off the cold and embrace the warmth of the sun. Summer brings a time of growth and abundance, as the trees soak up the sun's energy and produce food for themselves and the creatures that rely on them. The leaves are at their greenest, and the forest is a bustling hub of activity. Animals find shelter and sustenance among the branches, and the trees stand as a testament to the power of life and growth. As autumn approaches, the trees prepare for winter. They begin to conserve their energy, drawing nutrients back into their trunks and roots. The leaves, no longer needed, start to change color, creating a breathtaking display of reds, oranges, yellows, and purples. It's a time of transition, a reminder that change is inevitable and beautiful. Their leaves transform into a kaleidoscope of colors, from fiery reds and oranges to golden yellows and deep purples. This transformation is not just a visual spectacle, it's a crucial part of the tree's life cycle. The falling leaves enrich the soil, providing nutrients for the next generation of growth. It's a cycle of giving and receiving, of life and death, that sustains the forest. Finally, winter arrives and the trees enter a period of dormancy, conserving their energy for the coming spring. The forest becomes a quiet, serene place blanketed in snow. The trees stand bare and still, their branches reaching out like skeletal fingers. It's a time of rest and reflection, a pause before the cycle begins anew. This cycle of growth, abundance, and rest is a reminder that change is a natural part of life. Just as the trees go through their seasons, so do we. We have our times of growth and productivity, our moments of transformation, and our periods of rest and reflection. Each season has its own beauty and purpose, and each is essential to the whole. It's a time to reflect on the past year, to let go of what no longer serves us, and to embrace the new beginnings that each season brings. Just as the trees shed their leaves in autumn, we too can let go of old habits and patterns. And just as the trees burst forth with new growth in spring, we can embrace new opportunities and possibilities. Nature's timekeepers remind us that life is a continuous cycle of change and renewal. Section 8, a call to protect. The world's forests are facing unprecedented threats. Deforestation, climate change, and pollution are all taking their toll on these vital ecosystems. The once lush and vibrant forests are now under siege, struggling to survive against the relentless onslaught of human activities. We have a responsibility to protect our forests, to act as stewards of the natural world. This responsibility is not just for the sake of the trees themselves, but for the health of our planet and future generations. Trees play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our environment. They absorb carbon dioxide, produce oxygen, and provide habitat for countless species. The loss of forests means the loss of these essential services. Every tree we lose is a loss for all of us. It's a loss of clean air, clean water, and a stable climate. The impacts of deforestation are far-reaching, affecting not just the local environment but the global climate as well. It's a loss of biodiversity, a loss of the intricate web of life that forests support. The countless species that rely on forests for their survival are being pushed to the brink of extinction. The beauty, peace and wonder that forests bring to our lives are irreplaceable. They offer a sanctuary, a place to reconnect with nature and find solace in its tranquility. We can all make a difference by planting trees, supporting sustainable forestry practices, and reducing our own environmental impact. We can help to ensure that forests continue to thrive for generations to come. It's up to each of us to take action, to be the change we wish to see in the world. Together we can protect and preserve the forests that are so vital to our planet's health and our own well-being. The time to act is now. Let us rise to the challenge and answer the call to protect our forests. We can all make a difference by planting trees, supporting sustainable forestry practices, and reducing our own environmental impact. We can help to ensure that forests continue to thrive for generations to come. Section 9. Our Green Legacy. The fate of our forests is in our hands. The choices we make today will determine the legacy we leave for future generations. Will we leave behind a world where forests continue to thrive, providing clean air, clean water and a stable climate? Or will we leave behind a world where forests are just a distant memory? The answer lies in our actions. Let us choose to be stewards of our forests, protecting them for their beauty, their biodiversity, and their vital role in sustaining life on Earth. Let us leave behind a legacy of green, a world where forests continue to inspire wonder and awe for generations to come.